80 on the Commons is where modern living and everyday ease meet. Choose from a variety of 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and suite studio apartments for your new home away from home. You get to live in style with floor-to-ceiling windows, luxury wood-style floors, private balcony, quartz countertops, walk-in closet, and opulent architectural accents. It's just as dreamy as it sounds. You're also equipped with stainless steel appliances, a Nest thermostat, washer and dryer for convenience. Hit the fitness center, go stargazing around the fire pit on the rooftop terrace, cook your favorites on the grill, chill in the resident lounge, and make memories at monthly resident events. You'll never be bored here. Your perk pack also includes complimentary membership to 7 studios. Relax your heart out. With bike racks and a parking garage, your wheels always have somewhere to rest. Franklin University and Capital University are a quick stroll away. You'll never be late to class. With the buses at S High Street and East Broad Street and Columbus, E. Rich Street, and the Coda Transit Terminal just moments away, the city favorites are closer and quicker to explore. Why wait? Secure your spot at 80 on the Commons today via amberstudent.com.